I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Play Store and confirming you are signed into the correct Google account. Once done, tap your profile icon and open Payments and Subscriptions. Next, choose Payment Methods and tap Add a Payment Method to start. You should know why. Google links methods to your billing profile for purchases and subscriptions, so add the exact card or PayPal account you will use and complete any required verification, like 3DS or PayPal sign-in, before proceeding to buy. Once a method is added, make sure you set it as the default if you want it used automatically for future charges. Go to Manage Payment Methods and reorder or set default. Also, fill in billing address and postal code exactly as your bank has them. This reduces declines. If you're using carrier billing or redeeming gift codes, verify your device and country support those options and link the account. Otherwise, purchases may fail at checkout and you'll need to switch methods. You finish by reviewing the checkout screen, confirm price, tax, and any subscription terms, then authorize the purchase using the default method. After a successful charge, check Play order history or your email for the receipt. For refunds, use order history to request one. If the payment is declined, immediately check card expiration, daily limits, 3DS prompts, and billing address. If issues persist, contact your bank or remove and re-add the payment method. That single troubleshooting tip usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.